Okay, so we've got a 2013 Hyundai iLoad, automatic van in a turbo diesel. Travelled 210,000 kilometres. It does have the logbooks, reverse parking sensors, tinted windows. It's obviously got the dual sliding doors. The 1 tonne rated wheels. Just presents in very good condition. Little nudge bar on the front. Pretty much a good car all the way around. Take a look at the interior as well. So we've got 2 remote keys, power windows, dual airbags. There's your dash there, 210 Ks. It's got the Bluetooth connectivity, CD radio, air conditioning is freezing cold, and it's automatic. Now it's a 3-seater, the seats are all in excellent condition, no rips or tears. There's the logbooks. Got the cargo barrier there as well, and your floor, and the interior is all in excellent condition. So all inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.